Things I didn't know existed until I moved to Australia. Okay, so in Australia we have these hellbound creatures called magpies, and there's always been like an ongoing joke that the animals in Australia will like attack you, but this bird will literally swoop down from trees and peck at your head. I kid you not, every single day biking to school.
Where's the bird gone, bro? There it is! Here it is! Get him!
You get it, Magpie. Oh, what's gonna happen? Ooh. You get it. Yes. Go, Magpie. Go. This is the one time I'll be on your side. No, you little shithead. Do your job, mate.
Oh shit! Oh no! Oh!
This one's got a problem. Oh, here we go. Oh! Where is he? There he is. Fuck off! Every time I'm playing this game. There we go. Oh, one more.
The Magpie, the deadliest creature on Earth. Today we run a number of experiments to see if the magpie discriminates against its victims or if it just wants to kill everyone.
This time we see if magpies are religiously motivated. I will be a priest. That should be fine. That should be fine. I am a priest.
Ah! Holy! Holy shit! Ah! Oh my God! The brain does nothing! It is a demon and it's not a bird! Oh my god! Holy I'm gonna die! Someone kill him! Kill him with fire! Now we see if magpies discriminate against planes.
It's hard to run when you're fat.
Ah, God! Oh, God! Oh, f***. Oh, my God! Oh, my God, he's right here!
I think we all can agree that Australia is Satan's petting zoo, but you want to know what's the one animal that worries me the most? I don't know if Australians can relate, but this feathery, devil-eyed demon puts legitimate fear in my heart. 2 words: malicious intent. Most animals in Australia will leave you alone if you respect their space, but magpies will seek out fates to run and smoke to give, whether you deserved it or not. Thing is, they're not typically aggressive, but during nesting season, they decide to turn up and choose violence every time. These feathery spawns of Lucifer will dive bomb and bird smack people. I had a friend tell me she wears a helmet during nesting season, and I thought she was exaggerating until I found out that this is the outcome of playing real-life Angry Birds. So is this. Yeah, these feathery gangbangers are capable of mass destruction. It has snakes, spiders, crocodiles, and this blue bastard. But these demonic hood tendency tweeties worry me the most. If you think I'm exaggerating, a magpie killed a man in 2019. One less person in the world because this hell canary decided to be a dick to mankind. Did I mention they remember faces? Yeah, piss off the magpie mafia and you've made the choice to live in fear. Yeah, magpie stands for might actually get you put in intensive care expeditiously. Avengers could have used this bird because unlike Thor, they actually go for the head. Basically dealing with a black Air Force with wings.